Guys, I'm gonna destroy California. Let's play Destroy the California. Yay. Come on. Version 1, version 2, version 3. Album. Airport. Turn into TL. Shabab. Shaboy. Poop tinge. Airport. I'ma recreate 9/11. I guess 9/11 happened again. I'm Osama bin Laden. I'ma sell that thing. Another one. Bro got cooked. By the way, I have never played this game. Car explode. Bro, there's actual trash in here. No, my feet stinky. What's the biggest TV? Destroyed. What's the smallest TV? Destroyed. Let's continue. This air TV in an airport. You love to do. Where is the airport? I don't even see the airport. Better RIP one. No. Why would they even miss the tower? Everybody's gonna do the nine poopy. I got him. Broski got cooked. Finally, the lights are on. Die. You deserve to die. Building got destroyed in California, where I don't even live. I got teleported. Which is not even an airport. I got lied to. No, I meant there. Exactly. What is that? Did you actually see that? Because you didn't, you're blind. If you did not, you're blind. Yay! Was too good. Car. I destroy car. RIP car. Car number 2. Cut cooked? What do you think? Your car got exploded. Brush balls. How did you not break? Stairs? You are not innocent, you pooped. Yeah, more cars to explode. That people become angry. How are you still standing? Bro's not standing. You're not a brick man, you're a destroyed building. This is 9/11 Tower. And I'm gonna destroy it. I think I just destroyed world's populous building. Because I'm gonna destroy some nicer TVs again. Yeah, the city's cooked. If someone sees this in California, do you see buildings exploding? Because that's me, bro. How did bro survive? Me and if you build anything, I'm gonna build a taco made out of bricks. Yes! Yay! The TV is Amir. Hi. Bro's car exploded. I think something bad is going to be happening today. Yeah, you burned yourself. Yeah, bye. Bye. Sure want to crash into the mayor's Regent City Hall. I'm bald. I'm literally bald. Look, I am bald. Where's my exploding thing? You deserve this ugly car. You removed my hair. I need to get my hair back. I did. I got my hair back. Well, I'm done with the airport. So why not go to Subway? Where's the Subway? I found the Subway. Bloxburg. B. Hi. Rocket launcher. I think your restaurant is getting cooked. You ain't going on the break. You ain't never going on break, bro. Somebody shake this building not, because the building's already cooked. I ain't ever going in a car again. Last time when I went in a car, it removed my hair forever. Yeah. Brush cars flying. Blocks. I don't think you're safe, Blocks Mode. I don't think you're safe. Earth. I'm spam clicking Earth. Yeah, Earth got cooked. Yay! Let's see. Coca-Cola. No, that was ketchup. 1. Bro deserved that. You too. You too, because you're depressed. Watermelon? Bruh. Let me see. Potato? More potato? I don't know if that's a pepper or tomato. And some goofy carrots that don't even look like carrots. Hey, why do you not burn up? Yay. Burning the whole store. Yes. Not burning anything, just literally destroying everything. Sugar bombs? What about? Just a bomb. You do not replace my robot. What are you? Bomb. Hey yo, my mom's better. Look at that. Look at my little baby boy. I think you crashed into the wrong thing, bro. Delhi. Oh, hi. Scared because you're gonna be on the floor? Yeah, you're gonna be on the floor. Burned to death. I did not see you there. Hello. Hey, yo, it's SpongeBob. We have had enough with the store. So, why not? Why not? That's a little nice surprise. Yay! My hair! What are you? Yay! Destroy the McDonald's and a super popular store. Please press into this bus. Now you know where to go to. Wait. Wait, it actually exploded. Look, I'm fine. Nothing happened. Probably because I have the lowest FPS in the whole world. Chat, am I lagging? Stop! How did that even survive? Well, it's no bus stop, it's a stop now. Yay! Destroying a city. Lots of hills. Nothing. Say goodbye to that sign. What do I do? What am I supposed to do? Premium, regular, premium, and diesel. I did not click anything, so yeah, bro did not do anything. Bro got cooked. Destroying California is so nice. Yes. Define cooked. Hey, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Oh yeah! How did bro not explode? Chippies. I do not know these flavors. Okay? I only know this yellow one. No, only this one. Did you see the trying to tell something? That is classic and this says classic. All of these other are like Korean poop. So yeah, shoots rockets. Boom, boing, zip zap. For precise dismantling. Give me that Dorito, a short. Hey yo, just sticky. Why is the sting coming out of the Dorito? I know what you're doing, bro. I know what to do because I'm from Sigma. Lay's ketchup, what the heck? Yeah, I'm done with California. Well, bye-bye. I destroyed California and I did not like it because my back is sweaty as hell.